The Connoisseur 825 has a long, proven record of performance and reliability in the commercial blender industry. And it's the perfect solution when you need a workhorse that gets the job done right. It delivers quality, consistency, and speed with every order. It comes with 30 customizable pre-programmed blend cycles, each programmable to one of 5 touchpad buttons to produce perfect blends with a simple, single touch. For additional customization, Blendtec's recipe experts can help you create your own custom blends using our downloadable tool, ensuring that the Connoisseur 825 will meet the unique needs of your business. The powerful 3.8 peak horsepower motor and standard Wildside Plus jar with a cold-forged steel blunt safety blade form the perfect union for creating faster, more consistent blending, delivering more sales per hour and greater revenue. Plus, you can install the Connoisseur 825 directly into your countertop, saving precious surface space. Where blending noise is an important consideration, the Connoisseur features a sound enclosure that reduces blending noise for the comfort of both customers and employees alike. And it's built to last, with an industry-best 3-year worry-free warranty that includes parts, labor, and freight, minimizing your downtime and safeguarding your revenues. The Connoisseur 825 by Blendtec. It's the high-volume workhorse that continues to be one of the most reliable, best-value commercial blenders on the market.